and then after you can start your presenting things. And pitch is always important. So if only 8 people in your room, so professors are there, so try to make your voices too. It should be audible, no, not you cannot shout. But in the classroom of ours, 200 students, we have to shout. Yes, we are sorry for that. So pitch should be in control, okay? And you are talking about your very exciting kinds of your presentation and topic, but you are speaking in monotonous. So today is the day and we are not supposed to speak something monotonous, no? Nobody is going to listen to your viva, okay, defending viva and presentation. So, and you have to always pause and kind of speak, because due to the time I am speaking very fast, please. And intonation and stress, yes, you have to pause somewhere. If the tone is also like that, you have to write. So what is your name? You cannot say that. If children are making noise in the classroom, you can say, shut up, children. Shut up. So look at that, according to the situation. And somebody is dying and some story is very serious, and you can say, she's okay, she died and she has an accident. Can you say that? No. Tone and situation with the gestures, you have to match that. And how to make your presentation, depending on how to make it very effective. So practice, practice, practice. And other people will say rehearse, rehearse, rehearse. No? So practice. Before you come to give your viva in our room, department, head of the department, so you must have practice. Otherwise, don't try to give your viva, please. And golden rules, because we have divided. That is, first one is preparation, second one is that voice projection or body language, third one is voice projection, and the last one is the rule. These are the golden rules. When you are going to present, because I know you people are researchers, one day you will be involved in certain kind of job, and everybody will do kind of a job, and you will get this opportunity to present, share your experience and ideas in life. So how do you do it? Never look at the screen and you cannot read it. But this is the classroom, you can do it. But when you are presenting, don't try to look at here and try to read it. Maybe in the seminar hall you can give a pointer and somebody explain. But trying to explain yourself, you have to look at your PC, not here. And the slides or the words, slides, words on slides. How many words? See, number of lines in one slide should be 8, not more than that. That is universal, And the font size should be 8, minimum 28. So think about that, because I have seen so many presentations in my life with a lot of writing here there. No examples, that is different, but try to avoid long sentences and give font 28 minimum. If you are giving the font very small because you want to accommodate everything in that one slide, that doesn't work. Please use 28 font. If your information is not sufficient in this slide, you can change another slide, So minimum font is 28 and the sentences or words, number of lines in the slide, only 8 lines. More than that, if it's 9 or 10, you have to change another slide. These are the strict rules, you have to follow that. And be careful, always finish on time. So, because every time people are giving the cheat, when our political leaders start speaking in our conference or a program, they still providing the cheat, but they're, 5 minutes, 1 minute, I'll take 1 minute. And they speak for half an hour. We saw the bull, they but they are all the time talking. And come to the point, don't beat about the bush. Informations and content, if you are very much confident, you can speak it out, otherwise let it be. Well, I know when you say, I forgot, sir, I have to check my copies or something like that. But be confident. And the conclusion, to conclude, highlight the most important things. In conclusion, all these thesis or research, I have done this. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the last, So to sum up your words and sentences in the last, these are the phrases. So you can use, these are the very, very handy for you. And you have to say, so to summarize my research paper, so to summarize, or maybe to recap, or in short, I would like to tell that my conclusion is this and that. Finished. No? You don't have to look at here and there, and you have to say the long sentences. No? So end with point. You are defending viva or research, something like that. I have just given the quotation from the Paul Coelho. I don't like this writer, but still this quotation is the one I really like. When you want something, all the universe conspiring, helping you to achieve it. So, भन्छ नि हाम्रो नेपालीमा पनि हैन उडी के भन्छ चिताउनु एक उडी के उडी छुनु चन्द्र एक भन्छ I don't know anyway.
उद्देश्य के लिनु
उडी छुनु चन्द्र एक. So, similar kinds of quotations. Okay, if you want to do anything in your life, the positive vibe will come to you and it will conspire you to make it happen. So please be always positive. Don't be kind of negative thinking and help your friends and try to do your Bible very good. Okay, thank you very much. Any questions, please?
Okay. We have read postmodernism, right?